Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make reels on Instagram with photos. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone, then click on the plus on the center of the screen, and here you can take reels, select reels, and here just hold on the first photos, and here click on the select. Then you can find some other photos and select it too. Or more yet. And then click on the next. Just for loading. And here we can customize our reels if you need, and then click on the next. Here just click on the next again, and you can write a caption or use some setting here, and then click on the sharing reels. Just wait, and that's all. We have our reels. That's all. Goodbye.